Okay, today it's time to change the filters of our whole house Zehnder Comfoair 550. We have here the incoming air and that's the outgoing air, but we look at the new filter. We have a brand new filter here. We open our latch, take out the old filter, and as a comparison, we can clearly see that there is a lot of dirt which got filtered out of this M13 filter, and we're inserting a new filter into the system. It looks pretty clean. I vacuum it later. I just slide my filter back into the system. I have my cover, closing it, and we have a brand new fresh filter for our system here. Beside the filters at the main fresh air system unit, we need to periodically replace the filters at the return registers, which are located in the kitchen, bathrooms and closets. I call them typically the filter socks, which are also easily switched out, as you can see. Here are our return air filters, and as expected they have a different degree of dirt in them based on the amount of airflow.